Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you what's going on with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading under $30,000 and we see the price 29,221. That's the price for today. As you can see on the chart, we are trading on the big trend line. It's a big support, weekly trend line, weekly support, and this trend line starts since the beginning of March 2020. As you can see, there was a big rally, and this rally stopped at $60,000. So today we're trading on this big support, and if we will go down, if we will break this support, we can go lower. We can see $20,000 Bitcoin, and we can see even $14,000. Some experts say that we can see almost $9,000. So if we will look at the daily chart, you can see what's going on. We are trading on this support. Here is a big puddle. If we will go through this line, or this support will be strong again, and we will go up. Many people who are looking at this video want to know what's going on next. We will go down or we will go up. So I can't say for sure, but it seems to me that we have more chances to go up from this support. I don't know, it will be a big way to the top, or just a correction of this fall since the $60,000-$70,000, but I think there is a situation that we have more chances to go up. Maybe after this movement we will go down, we will break this support, we will go to $20,000, or maybe, as said before, $14,000, or even $8,000 or $9,000. Also, I would like to say, if we will see Bitcoin near this trend line under $70,000 or $67,000, so we will have more chances to go to $100,000. That's my strategic view on this situation. Let's look at the 4 hours chart. As you see, here is a big battle. This battle started May 11, so we continue to see a big fight around $30,000 Bitcoin. So I suggest you keep an eye on this level. So if we will break this trend line, you know my forecast. Okay guys, that's now for today. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, don't miss new videos.